Hey guys, so today we're going to make a really easy paper butterfly, which is just going to be done in just a few minutes. It's really easy for kids. So let's start. First we need a square piece of paper. So first I took any favorite color, take any favorite color you like. Then fold that into half and cut them into two parts, like this, as you see. So now, keep a part aside because we're going to use it later. Now we're going to use this other part. So first, we're going to fold the other part. So we're going to fold this half into another half, like this. Like this. So now you see there's a line here in between. Now I'm going to fold the top one to make something like this. And we're also going to fold the other one, do the same like this. So now we're going to do the bottom two, the same thing what we did to the, it's a thing which me and my teacher used to say. What we do to the top, we do the same to the bottom. So let's do it. So as you see, I made the same thing at the bottom too. So it's going to have, it needs to be a sharp corner here. So like this. So now I'm going to start by folding here, like this. So we go on doing like that, like this, as you see. So now, because I folded it like that. Now we are going to need to, we are not supposed to fold it like this way, like this. We're supposed to fold it inside, so the orange comes out. So as you see, I did it. Now we're going to make it like this. So our top part is ready, so let's keep it aside. Now we're supposed to make the bottom part like this. So we just need to do the same thing what we did to the upper part, but in a different way. So we're not going to fold it the long way, we're going to fold it the short way. It's going to take a little time, but it's going to be quick. So after we do this, now we're going to see that now we're going to fold this into a half again, like this. And you can add some glue here if you want. So I'm going to add some glue. Don't need much glue for this. So I just put some, small drops of glue. And now I'm going to stick this. So as you see, it looks like this. Now we need wool or ribbon with the same color like there's this paper. So I have a little bit dark orange, so I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to cut a piece. We don't need a long piece, we just need a small piece. So then I'm going to tie some knots. So if you make a second knot, it would make it more stronger. So I'm making a second knot to this. So I want to leave this down small thingy because if we cut it, like, this knot is gonna come out. So I'm going to leave this thread too because it can be for, like, you can make a hanging or hang it on your wall. So our butterfly is not ready yet because we need to open its wings. It doesn't need to have a lot of open wings. So as you see, now this butterfly and this butterfly have each other now. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.